Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania, eastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Port Trevorton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sunbury, Shamokin, Sealands Grove, Northumberland, Winfield, Millersburg, Fairview and Ferndale, Trevorton, Shamokin Dam, Marshallton, Hummel's Wharf and Port Trevorton. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this severe thunderstorm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Northumberland, Perry, and Snyder.